Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your Xbox profile picture on the Xbox app. And this is how to do it on either an Android or an iPhone. If you find this video helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what we need to do is come to the Xbox app. And if you don't have that, you can download that free of charge from either the Play Store or the iTunes Store. And you need to go onto this one here, not the Game Pass app, but the actual Xbox official app. So once you're in and you've signed into your Xbox account, what you need to do is click onto your profile icon, which is down in the bottom right hand corner. And what you want to do from here, if you look at the top by your profile icon, there's a little pencil icon. If you go ahead and give that a click, and you'll see it's going to give you a selection of Gamerpics available that you can change to. So what you need to do is just select any of these. So I'm going to click onto this one, and then you just need to hit the save button. And you'll see that that's changed my Gamerpic, and because I've changed it from the app, that does change it on the actual Xbox as well. So I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.